everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to draw a Spider-Man car. So start there and make a line and start right here and draw it. Everyone, I'm gonna draw this right now. If you want to copy me, you can copy me. I'm gonna put this marker back. If you want to draw a world everywhere, you can do it. Just do your thing. Oh, one more. So I have to do one more, I forgot. And then you're done. I'm sorry, everyone. I was just watching Moana. It's annoying me. Oh. Okay, but I'm still trying it right now. You can copy me if you want. You can draw it whatever you want though. But you're okay. Just take your time. And draw in your heart. Okay, people, I'm not staying in the lines very good, but you could stay in the lines very good.